Alright folks, here it is. This will be my unboxing of the ESV Pulpit Bible. And this Bible was published in December of 2018. I was going to review it then, but I got an opportunity to review the 6-volume leather overboard reader set. And then in the first quarter of 2019, the Preaching Bible came out. So this is the first opportunity I'm getting to review it. And since it was published in December. So here is the box. God almighty. You can see in the titling there, it says ESV Pulpit Bible, Cowhide Overboard, black. There's the ISBN. Now, I blacked out a lot of the information for Crossway and myself. So you see it's publisher review, Bible reviewer. That's the purpose for this. So thank you, Crossway, for allowing me to review this. And let's get to it. All right. Let's put that up. And let's open her up. All right, so we have a piece of cardboard and some shipping information if I had to return it, which I won't be, pretty sure. Look at this box. Holy smokes. This thing is enormous. All right. So, if I can get this out without tearing everything up, this thing's giant. Wow. All right. Wow, wow, wow. Huge. Goodness. Let's see if you can see that. ESV Pulpit Bible. And, wow. This box is giant. Hang on one second. I want to show you the difference between the boxes. Here's an ESV Study Bible box. This is a box to the ESV Study Bible. Golly. Just take the lid off. See how much bigger it is. Wow. Than a study Bible. Okay, so put that over here. All right. Let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Wow, wow, wow. This is crazy. Crazy. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Amazing. It looks like a dimple, but that's just a little scar. Looks like a little scar on the leather, which is fine. I love that. It's really awesome. Look at this spine. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the finest leatherwork I've ever seen on a Crossway Bible. I mean, this stamping is big and crisp. I mean, it's just awesome. Incredible. Wow. Let me move this out of the way so I can sit back down. Ooh, I'm going to be sweating after this unboxing. All right, let's bring it back so you can see it. All right. All right. Now, let's look at the back of this box. Shows the dimensions. Shows the dimensions there. And 12-point font, 4 ribbons, all that cool stuff. Premium leather overboard cover. And the ISBN. Let's see if it'll focus on it. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So just check it out in the description. They retail for $400. But I think right now on Christian Book they might be $260. It might be around the same thing on Amazon. Not sure. I'll post a link in the description. Check it out there. But there's the box. Cool. Cool stuff. All right, here it is. And before I open it up to show you the text, I want to show you some size comparisons with some other Bibles. Okay, so the most hilarious is going to be the large print compact. This is the large print compact, guys. Look at that. This Bible. You could fit 4 of these on the top of this this pulpit Bible. This thing is enormous. I mean, enormous. So I mean that's a little personal size, of course. So let's look at, I don't know, maybe the preaching Bible. The preaching Bible that just came out, and I'll open the text up as well and compare them. There's the comparison with just the covers sizes. I mean, and the preaching Bible's pretty big too. It's a big Bible. It's like a hefty Bible. So we've got several to compare with, and then this is the largest of my study Bibles. This is the large print ESV study Bible, so it's bigger than the typical ESV study Bible. And it still is not even, it's not even close. I mean, look at that. This is just huge. Now, it's about the same thickness, but the pulpit Bible is a little thicker because this cover, okay, the cover is a boarded cover, but it's not cardboard. It's wood. It's like legit, like construction grade material. So I mean, it's strong. It's built to last a long time. Looks like it is a paste down liner, but you're not going to be carrying this a lot. And I'm sure there's significant reinforcement in this hinge, so it's not going to be like every other paste down liner that you've ever had. So it's going to be well built. All right. So the text. Let me open it up and let you see. This paper is crazy. It's crazy good. All right, let me turn it around. If I got enough table space to turn it around. All right, so here is the text. Now it's only a 12-point font. Okay, so for the size of the Bible, it's technically not huge. It's not a huge text. This is a 12-point font, but it's really like the right size for this Bible. Because if it were much thicker, you wouldn't have the margins, and it would be way too thick. Like this is about 3 inches thick altogether. So it's still manageable. It's not super huge. It's still pretty manageable on the pulpit. And the gilding's really nicely done. But it's a 12-point font, so you can read this standing up 5 foot away from it, most likely. And it's really nice. I mean, it's really nice. This paper is really nice. It's built to last. I mean, it's really built to last. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite Bibles. I'm carrying it to church this Sunday. I'll be in the front row or whatever row my wife will let me sit on, because I like to sit up close. She likes to get back in. Usually we kind of compromise and sit somewhere middle, but I'm going to have this in my lap. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to have this in my lap, turn to Luke, and we're going to be going through Luke. It's going to be great. And I'm sure I'm going to get some looks, and that's okay, because the biggest ESV deserves some looks. It deserves a few looks. So anyway, that's the unboxing. I will do a full review of this Bible. Just check out in the description for the link to purchase if you want to look for one for yourself. And also thank you again to Crossway for supplying this review edition. Again, I will make another video doing the full review cover to cover, showing everything in this Bible. So if you're in the market for a pulpit Bible for your church, this would be an excellent donation to your church if your church teaches through the ESV. Especially if you have a pulpit where a Bible stays, this is, with the 2016 text, this is the best way to go with having an ESV that's permanently kind of stationary on your pulpit. So I highly recommend this. It looks great. Now we'll see how it holds up over time. But Crossway also guarantees their stuff, so even if you had any issues, they would stand behind their product. My only issue right off the bat is single-sided satin ribbons. It's so easy to do regular double-sided satin ribbons. That would have been just a smidge nicer, and even having just a little bit of art gilding. It's a white under gold, which is not terrible, but I would love to have had some kind of coloring under this gold. I mean, that would, because I'm not going to add it. I'm not going to change this at all, except for maybe the ribbons. But anyway, that's my unboxing. I don't do many unboxings, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment below about what you like. Would you use this big Bible? I mean, is it or do you, if you're preaching from the pulpit, do you like to carry your Bible, or do you have a specific layout that you like? This is a double column paragraph format. So anyway, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And God bless.